Hi everyone, this is The Unspeakable with Interscapes Art Studios, and today I'm posting the demo painting that I did for the art group class on Sunday. You already saw this painting, it was in the gallery post a few days ago, but I thought I'd show you how I made it and put in the audio from the class because we have so much fun in these groups. Okay.
You can pour it into different sides of the cup. Like I really don't want my purple to touch my yellow. So I'm going to pour it over there. Do that. Now this is sitting here. I think I'm going to put a little red in, and I think I want my red. Now this is a little thicker. I didn't have time to mix these properly. I'm going to mix my red into everything. So this canvas needs 3 ounces of paint, and this is a 9-ounce cup. And this time I'm going to put my gold on the side instead of mixing it in. And then I'm going to put my yellow on the side too. Also, taking into account, I'm going to use 1 ounce of white. That's about plenty of paint right there. A little more purple, just because I want to. And a little more red, just because I want to. Okay, there's my cup. Now, single flip cup.
I like it.
It's so easy. And now here's what you do with this. Just so, because if there's paint on the bottom, it's easier for it to move. And I put a little around the edges, just so it goes all the way out to the edges. Because of the silicone, you can see all the paints come out now. So there are several ways you can pull this off. You can pull it straight up and let it drip, and the drips will make patterns. What I love to do, and I'm going to do, is I'm going to push it to one corner, tip it back, and slide it toward me. So now the beauty and the art of this is tipping it. When you tip it to one side, you want to bring it back so you can keep your patterns. I am going to lose all that gold because it's on the edge, and I like that gold there.
So this is what the silicone's doing, right?
Yes, those little bubbles are the silicone going through the paint. I really love that gold, and I don't know how I'm going to keep that because it's on the edge. And so now it has to go over.
It looks like it's glass.
It's wet paint because it will dry differently.
Like blown glass.
Okay, so now this is good, but you want to look at you want to make sure all your edges are covered. But stuff can happen, and I want more to happen. I know I can pour off this much paint and move that gold down into the middle, but then I'll lose my white. So this is what you kind of do. You kind of play with it and say, okay, what do I want here? It's not exactly what I want, but it's interesting, isn't it? It's way more red than I wanted. So some colors do take over. So just to give you a clue about what you can do, I just want to put a little more gold in there. So you can do this.
Wow.
You can do whatever you want to do. So there's a little more gold, and maybe even a little more yellow. Oh, now this has the silicone in it. This is going to have all the silicone in it from the edge of the cup. So you're going to see what that silicone will do. Now you get to play with it some more. Until you like it. Until your inner self that has no words says, I like that, let's stop here. And then you're done. With this one, I don't like that white there, so I'm covering it up.
That's great.
So there's my inner self today.
And it speaks to you.
It won't dry like that. The silicone, this is going to keep opening right here and moving, and all kinds of things are going to happen.
Thank you for joining this gathering of pouring people. I am so appreciative of your time, your views, your likes, your comments, and especially your subscriptions. and I hope to see you in the next video.